Some cars are more than just machines. They're rolling pieces of art frozen in time, legends that refuse to be forgotten. And one of the most elegant classics ever built is making a grand return, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. But here's the twist. This isn't just a nostalgia trip. It's a revolution. Welcome back to TrendX Rides, the channel where we bring you the most exciting automotive news and jaw-dropping reveals. And today, we're talking about one of the most unexpected yet thrilling comebacks in recent history, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. The original Karmann Ghia was Volkswagen's answer to affordable European luxury, a car that blended the heart of a Beetle with the curves of an Italian sports coupe. Now, 70 years after its debut, VW is bringing it back. But can the new version live up to the legend? Bringing back an icon is never easy. Automakers have tried to modernize classics before, but sometimes they lose the soul of the original. So, how does Volkswagen keep the spirit of the Karmann Ghia alive, while making it relevant for the future? First, let's talk about that design. The new Karmann Ghia keeps its signature curves, but they've been reimagined for a modern era. Sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly with its aerodynamic silhouette, while the signature fastback roofline makes a grand return. It's retro, yet futuristic, just like it should be. Under the hood, well, actually, there isn't one. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is an EV, built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same one that powers the ID lineup. With a dual-motor setup, this beauty isn't just for cruising. It's packing over 300 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. Not bad for a car that once struggled to hit 60 miles per hour. Inside, it's a fusion of old and new. Vintage-style dials meet a fully digital cockpit, and sustainable leather seats nod to its luxury heritage. Plus, with an estimated 320-mile range, this isn't just a showpiece. It's built to be driven. But here's where things get really interesting. Volkswagen has hinted at a convertible version, just like the classic. Imagine driving along the coast, wind in your hair, in a modern-day Karmann Ghia. It's enough to make any car enthusiast's heart race. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia a worthy successor to the original? Well, it keeps the timeless elegance, adds cutting-edge EV performance, and brings back the joy of driving in its purest form. If VW gets this right, we might be looking at one of the most exciting retro revivals of the decade. But what do you think? Is this the right way to bring back a classic? Or should Volkswagen have kept it gasoline-powered? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love automotive history mixed with futuristic innovation, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TrendX Rides, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep the wheels rolling and the legends alive.